Hi guys. Welcome to learn smart skills digitally with Savita. So basically, I'm back, and today, the session or this live or I have taken just to have a small chit chat, or you can ask me anything related to about your doubts, or say what you are like not you are confused in your life, or say in your career, what to do, how to start, where to start, from where to start. So I'm here to answer it about all. And meanwhile, I want you people to know like what you are looking for, and what exactly you people want me to want you, so that I can start with and can have some explanation. So basically, before that, I would like to tell you like what all I know. I mean, what the things I have learned and what I can teach you. So starting from myself, as many times in before life also, if you have seen, I have explained you about myself, who am I, how I have started my career, what is my journey. So again and again I am making the video just for your for understanding. I mean, to understand like who the Savita is, and from where I am, and how, what all content I supposed to make, and how it can helpful to you. So in that case, I am making this video to just for your understanding and helpful needs. Now I want you people to just go through my this content, and I want you to support me by your like and your subscribe. And also this will help me like to make a content like it will be like motivate me to content, and so that it will be helpful to you. Now I'll tell you like who am I. As I told you, myself Savita, and I have more than 10 years of experience, starting from my HR professional, as I'm from HR professional background. And from starting onward, I have done like career started from HR only, not from exactly the content creation itself. Slowly, after my overall experience, when I have done with the experience, starting from recruiting to HR, proper HR cycles, from recruiting, sourcing, and then shortlisting the candidates. So this was earlier like what I was doing. From then onwards, after 2 to 5 years of working in that, I have some another experience like sales, or say business development. And then and there onwards, again like after 2 years of experience, I have shifted to some other companies. So overall, in this way, there is a different or a various type of experience I do have with different field. Now after I got married in 2020, and then I have started my household career, have been started from there onwards. I have switched from job to my household things. So from then onwards, I have to like take a balance from my home as well as from my career, what I have the skill and all. So I thought of like why to not to use my skill. Now from then onwards, I have started using different specialist skills, whatever I have started learning those from home itself. I mean, I have started learning from home the things, small things. As you may know, like today's the trends, or the more scope or the demand is of what, guys, what it is, just tell me. I want an answer from you. Isn't it? It's a digital marketing. Yes. So I think of why not I start from that. After that, from home only, I have small things like from classes in the sense from uh, what to say, from the home itself. I have started like how to get started, from like how to learn it from different mentors. I do have my mentors as well, and they have taught me a lot. From them I have understand, there was a lot of things to understand, like how to get started it. So the digital marketing, if there is a whole divine and scope where still I'm not a full learner, I can say, but yes, I have learned a lot, and I think learning never, like, it will be finished off or disappear. This is something where we have to keep on learning and learning, and this makes as you may know, like, practice make man's perfect. So this is how I keep on learning, keep on exploring myself, and this is what I want you people to do the same. Because what my skills, what I have learned, I want my subscriber, my people to know that as well. Now I'm not, as I told, I'm not fully perfect. I have not I can say, like, I'm earning in a lakh or say something, but yes, I have started. So I don't want me to be here one and one here only, like I have learned, oh yes, it's a big thing I have done. No, I want, like, my people, in the sense, you people, you as a subscriber, I want you people to support me. I want you people to learn, like, what I know, what my knowledge is. I want to transfer that knowledge to you. So how that can be happen? One and only, guys, when you will support me, when you will like me, and when you love me. So in that case, I can grow. So I want you to subscribe, and want you to go through my content, and also I want you to comment what you're looking for, what exactly you are into, as you are career oriented, or say you are from the job seeker, or so you're just a student, even a housewife. If you're like at a house and you're not earning, you are confused, you don't know where to start, so I'm here to help you out. So for that, this is a whole video I'm making here, and really, I mean, believe me, guys, this is all the thing I'm doing just to help you out. Now, I think I have completed my half of part, like who am I and what I am, how I have started. This is very short, and also I can explain in a big, but I believe, like, telling in a big or in a long form, the guys will get bored. So that I don't want in a very, just in 10 minutes. I want you people to know who am I, and want you people to subscribe me, and just to for sake, I want you to just comment and tell me, like, on what topic I should make a video, so that it can be helpful to you, so that you can also earn. And I want you people to connect with me, where we can together can do something big and can move forward. In that way, you can connect with someone else, and in that way we will going to do something big. So this is what I want to tell. As overall, what I am doing, that is what I want to tell you. So starting from Canva, I know basic to advanced, not advanced, but then yes, from basic I know I have started those things. And also, like, I am video editing again from basic. I will say, I never say like I am advanced, guys. Even though I am advanced, I will never say that I am advanced. Why? Because I am still learning, even I am exploring myself. So I never go to that point ki I am advanced, I can do anything. No, guys, because I am a learner, I am learning. So I will always start from the basic itself, and I want you, like, if you are interested to know more how to do a graphic design, how to do like video editing, whatever. And if suppose you're shy of making any kind of content, any videos, so what and how to do on that also I can able to help you. Plus freelancer, if like you are nowadays, the guys are just looking for the job, only job, and they are not knowing, yeah, the job is not permanent, and they should think of their skills, like how they can utilize their skills. If you're confused, you're not knowing, you can take a help from me. Just comment, I can help you with that. Plus also a passive income, how you can go with that, everything I can teach you, or I can help you to grow with your YouTube, with your Instagram, with your LinkedIn profile, or say your top mate. Everything I can do it for you, plus help you. So this is how I have started, and still I am going on. I am learning and exploring. So I want guys, you as well, to learn, explore, and be active. So guys, if you want me, like, on which topic should I make a video next, so that you can learn a lot, please comment me in the box. Thank you guys, thank you with me. Thank you. So keep learning, keep exploring, be active. This is what I want you people to, you, you to all know about and to spread these things to whole over. Thank you guys.